Guys, what if you accidentally delete your Instagram chat with your crush? No, 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 no. Then stop crying and wipe off your tears because nothing to fear when I'm here. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Himanshu. You are watching GetAssist, and without wasting any time, let's recover your Instagram chats. Just open up your Instagram application and go to your profile. From the three dots, go to your activity. Down here, you'll find download your information. Just tap on that. Then tap on request to download option. This option can be in some other words too in your Instagram. It depends only. But you have to just tap on the first option emerge on your screen. Afterward, you will get two options. First one to copy all the data, and the second one is for some selective data. I'll choose the second option. Then choose the message option and tap next. I'm changing the data range to 1 week, and it's up to you how much older chats you want to recover. Because if you have longer and deeper chats and with so many people, then it might take a longer time to generate those chats again, and afterward it will consume a lot of data of yours and storage from your device. Afterward, submit your request. See, Instagram will start preparing for your data. Then it will give you the option to download it. Just tap on it. It might ask you for your password. Then you just simply enter your password and wait for the procedure to complete. After waiting for a while, a download option will emerge on your screen. Just download it and it will be in your files in a zip file format. If your device is compatible of opening zip files, then it's good, and if it doesn't have anything that supports to open up zip files, just don't worry for it. Just download any of unzip applications and open the file. And guess what? This is Instagram's official way of recovering your chats and other data. So it's completely secure, safe, and will definitely work. If you find this video useful and informative, just give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and comment down if you have any query related to this video. Just keep watching GetAssist. I'll meet you in the next one.